I'm getting the van cleaned, ready for Soul Revolution Festival. Yay! So I got to the festival and I am unpacking, basically. Just putting all my food away and sorting everything out and tidying the van up, ready for the festival. I'm loving that work surface. It looks amazing. Oh my gosh. It's going to be so exciting here. Well, I am all set up. It's going to be amazing here. Oh, I'm so grateful for this van. Oh, I love it. It's not even finished at all yet. It's going to look so good when it's done. So, on my first night there, I could not remember where my van was, and it was dark and it was like midnight or something. And I walked around and around and around in circles, and then finally I met this guy and I said, "Oh, do you know what? I'm just going to have to spend the night in the field." I said, "Where is my van?" And he said, "Oh, it's just there." I'd been walking past it the whole time. But whilst I was on my travels, I did come across this tent with all these visionary art pieces. I think there was about 13 artists in total. Amazing work. I'm heading right there. Oh my god, I need this. Wow, look at that full moon. And once again, I find myself heading for the rave tent. Of course I bloody do. Soul Revolution Festival is such a beautiful festival. It's got amazing bands, world music, chanting and drumming, and all the beautiful Medicina indigenous cultures, celebration of life and love and people and unity and harmony and yeah, it's just the most amazing. I've had the most amazing day again today, and yeah, too much to mention. But I'm now going to go for some food because I am hungry, and I have got my cooking facilities and food here, but I'm just not today. So I'm going to treat myself today to some other cooked food, which is obviously really expensive because it's festival food, but yeah, let's see. Soul Revolution Festival is amazing. I know I look a bit of a state, but I've been, oh my gosh, I haven't stopped dancing and for the last 4 days. and my legs are like, oh my God, can we please just stop for a minute? But no, because I'm having a little rest and I'm going back out again. And this afternoon I did fire dancing. It's so gonna be my new hobby. Yeah, so it's an amazing time. It's the last night and I'm going out on a bang. I don't care how much my legs are hurting. I'm just gonna dance until I drop. Yeah, I can hear the music now. Just need to go there.